Volleyball is a team sport where from teams of 6 players compete to send the ball over a net and score points by according it on the opponent's court. Invented in 1985, the game requires skill, teamwork, and quick reactions. Players use technique such as serving, passing, setting, spiking, and blocking. Play worldwide at various levels, including the Olympics. Volleyball promotes fitness, coordination, and cooperation. Volleyball po ay isang team sport na merong dalawang team na may tig-anim na player. Pinapasa ang bola over the net para makapuntos and mapabagsak ang kabilang team. Inimbento po ito noong 1895 na kailangan po dito ng skill, teamwork, and quick reaction. Ginagamitan din po ito ng mga player na serving, passing, setting, and spiking, and blocking. Ilalaro din ito ng buong mundo gaya ng Olympics.
History. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William D. Morgan as a less strenuous alternative to basketball and originally called mintonette. It was renamed volleyball in 1896 and quickly spread worldwide. The format of FIVB in 1947 helped standardize the sport and volleyball became an Olympic event in 1964. Today, it is played globally including indoor and pitch formats. Ang volleyball po ay naimbento naman 1895 at tinawag ito sa pangalang mintonette at binago ang kanyang pangalan noong 1896 na ginawang volleyball. At naging sikat ito sa buong mundo.
A standard volleyball court is rectangular in shape and measures 18 meters long and 9 meters wide. The court is divided into 2 equal halves by a net, with each team occupying one side measuring 9 m x 9 m times 9 m. The net height is 2.43 meters for men and 2.24 meters for women. Measured at the center of the net. The net is placed vertically above the center line. The key markings on the court include: center line divides the court into 2 equal halves. Attack line, 3-meter line located 3 meters from the center line on each side, separating front row and back row players. Boundary lines, sidelines and end lines that mark the playing area. The court should be surrounded by a free zone at least 3 meters on all sides. Free obstacles. Indoors volleyball. Venues require a minimum ceiling height of 7 meters of official competition. Volleyball can be played both indoors on wooden or synthetic floors and outdoors, such as sand courts or beach volleyball, with dimensions varying slightly for different formats. Volleyball can be played both indoors on wooden or synthetic floors and outdoors, such as sand courts or beach volleyball, with dimensions varying slightly for different formats. Ang karaniwang court ay parihaba, 18 metro ang haba at 9 metro ang lapad. Hinahati ito ng net sa dalawang pantay na bahagi. Next naman. Ito naman, nakatchat mo lang. Mga markas sa court. Center line, hinahati ang court sa dalawang pantay na bahagi. Attack line, 3 metro mula sa gitna, naghihiwalay sa mga manlalaro sa unahan at likuran. Boundary lines, mga linya sa gilid at dulo, nagmamarka ng lugar para sa laro. Mga lugar para sa laro. Maaaring laruin ang volleyball sa loob ng bahay, sa kahoy o sa sintetikong sahig o sa labas tulad ng buhangin. Para sa beach volleyball, maaaring magkaiba ng kaunti ang sukat depende sa uri ng laro.
Knowing the ground you play on. A volleyball is rectangular, measuring 18 by 9 meters divided by net. Specific zones guide serving, attacking, defending, and reaching during gameplay. Ang court po ay merong rectangle na shape at meron ito 18 na haba at merong 9 metro ang lapad na hinati sa gitna ng net. At may mga zone na tumutulong sa mga malalaro kung saan nagsiserve at nag-aatake ang mga naglalaro.
Equipment and gear. Volleyball. The ball is spherical mode of liter or synthetic material and weight about 260 to 80 grams. It designed to be light and durable for easy handling. Ito daw po ginagamit sa mga pangon. The net is placed at the center of the court and is 2.43 meters height for men and 2.24 meters height for women. It divides the court into two equal net. The net is placed at the center of the court and is 2.43 meters height for men and 2.24 meters for women. It divides the court into two equal. Ang net po ay inilalagay sa gitna ng court at inahati nito sa dalawang kupunan at kailangan maipasa ng mga manlalaro ang bola sa ibabaw ng net upang makakuha ng court and pole. The court is marked with boundaries line, center line, and attack line. Pole on each side of the net in play. Ang court ay may boundary line, center line, at attack line. Tinutulungan ng mga linya ito upang malaman ng mga manlalaro kung saan sila maaaring gumalaw at maglaro. Equipment, whistle, score sheets, flag for line judge, and scoreboard are used to officiate the game. Ang pito at bandila at scoreboard ay ginagamit ng mga opisyal upang mapamahalaan ang laro. Antennas, flexible rods attack to the net above the sideline. They help determine waiter and ball passage legality over the net. Gamit sa nakakabit sa net upang tinutulungan nito ang referee upang makita kung saan ang tamang pagdaan ng bola upang makita kung sino maka-score. Player uniform. Player wear jersey, short, and sock. Each team has matching uniform with visible number. Special volleyball shoes with good grip and cushioning are worn to prevent slipping and reduce impact on jump. Sapatos. Uy, ba't sapatos lang? Kulang.
Huwag mo nang banggitin yung sapatos.
Sa volleyball ay may
Correct.
Sa volleyball ay may magandang kapit sa sahig. Nakakatulong ito sa mga player upang maiwasan ang pagdulas at maprotektahan ang mga paahabang tumatalon. Protective gear include pads, ankle braces, and sometimes elbow pads to protect player during dives and falls. This equipment and gear help maintain safety, performance, and consistency. Gear, pinoprotektahan nito ang mga manlalaro upang maiwasan ang pinsala kapag nadadapa sila o kaya dumadive.
These are the fundamental physical attack that is to play in the team. Putting the ball in play include underhand serve and jump serve. Ito po yung palo ng bola para mag-start ang laro. Passing, receiving the serve or attack and direct the ball into the setter. Ito po yung mga pagtanggap ng bola galing sa setter or sa kabilang team. Setting, accurately passing the ball to the setter to spike. Ito po yung pag-aayos ng bola para ma-spike ng teammate. Spiking. Striking the ball peacefully in the opponent up to 4 points. Ito po yung malakas na pagpalo ng ball para po blocking, jumping near the net to stop or direct the opponent's attack. Para hindi po makabuntos ang kalaban. Digging. Defensively serving a spike ball from hitting the court. Ito po yung pagsalba ng bola na malapit. Footwork and movement. Footwork and movement. Quick and balanced movements to reach the pad effectively. Footwork and movement. Quick and balanced movements to reach the ball effectively. Ito po yung mabilis na paggalaw para mabalance yung bola or mabilis na abot para hindi po maabot ng bola yung babak or hindi po makascore yung kalaban. Ito po yung balance at mabilis na paggalaw para maabot yung bola. Rules of the game. Volleyball is played by 2 teams of 6 players using rally scoring, where points are scored every rally. Teams may touch the ball up to 3 times before returning it over the net. A set is one of 25 points with 2-point lead. The matches are usually best of 5 sets. Players must rotate, follow serving net and attack rules, and avoid faults such as double hits, net touch, and illegal positions. The goal po is merong 2 teams na merong manlalarong 6. At paunahan po ako 25 puntos para manalo sa rounds. At bawal pong mahawakan ng player ang bola ng hanggang 4 na beses. At kailangan pong umikot ng maglalaro para sundin po yung patakaran ng game at kailangan pong umikot ng mga manlalaro para maiwasan po ang pandaraya at masunod po ang rules ng game para magkaroon po ng maayos na paglalaro.
Safety practices. Proper warm-up and stretching. Perform dynamic stretches and light cardio before playing to prepare muscle and joints. Include exercise for shoulder, wrists, knees, and ankles to reduce injury risk. Mag-stretch at mag-warm up muna bago maglaro para uminit ang appropriate gear. Wear knee pads, ankle support, and proper volleyball shoes with good grips and cushioning. Use for comfortable uniform that allow free movements. Magsuot ng tamang gamit tulad ng knee pads at maayos na sapatos para protektado ang tuhod at paa. Safe playing environment. Ensure the court surface is clean, dry, and free of obstacles. Maintain adequate ceiling height and free zone around the court. Gumamit ng tamang galaw sa pag-search, spike at pagtalon para hindi ma-strain ang katawan. Hydration and rest. Drink enough water before, during, and after the game. To prevent dehydration, take break and rest to avoid fatigue-related injuries. Uminom ng sapat na tubig at magpahinga paminsan-minsan para hindi ma-dehydrate at mapagod ng sobra ang katawan. Awareness and communication. Communicate with teammates to prevent collision. Be aware of the ball and other players' position at all time. Maging alerto sa paligid at makipag-usap sa kakampi. Halimbawa, sumigaw ng mine para maiwasan ang banggaan o aksidente. First aid and preparedness. Keep a first aid kit nearby for minor injuries. Know procedure for sprain, strain, and contusion.
Laging may laging may nakahandang first aid kit para agad magamot kung masugatan o masaktan. Following these safety practices help reduce injuries, ensure fair play, and allow players to enjoy volleyball safely.